Hello, everyone. Ever felt that knot in your stomach, that racing pulse when you have to make a big decision and you don't have much time? That's pressure. And today we're diving into how to make better decisions when you're feeling it. Pressure situations are a part of life, whether it's at work, in personal relationships, or even during a competitive game. When we're under pressure, our brains can go into overdrive. Sometimes this helps us focus. Other times it can lead to panic, clouded judgment, and poor choices. The key is to manage that pressure, not let it manage you. So what can you do? First, and this might sound too simple, but it's crucial, pause and breathe. When pressure hits, our instinct might be to react immediately. Instead, take a conscious moment, just a few seconds. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and exhale slowly. This simple act can help calm your nervous system, giving your rational brain a chance to catch up with your emotions. It creates a tiny bit of mental space, and that space is golden. Second, identify the core problem. Under pressure, details can feel overwhelming. Try to cut through the noise. Ask yourself, what is the absolute most critical issue I need to solve right now? Focusing on the main objective helps you avoid getting sidetracked by less important factors. What is the desired outcome you're aiming for? Keep that in mind. Third, gather essential information. Quickly. You probably won't have time for exhaustive research, but try to get the key facts. What do you know for sure? What are the biggest unknowns? What are the immediate consequences of different choices? Focus on the information that directly impacts the core problem you've identified. Don't get bogged down in analysis paralysis. Just get what's vital. Fourth, simplify your options. Often we're faced with what seems like a dozen choices. Under pressure, try to narrow them down to 2 or 3 viable options. Thinking about too many alternatives can be paralyzing. Once you have a few clear options, you can more easily weigh their immediate pros and cons. Fifth, consider the short-term and long-term. A quick fix might solve the immediate pressure, but could it create bigger problems down the line? If time allows, even a brief thought about the longer-term implications can be very valuable. Ask yourself, what's the impact of this decision tomorrow, next week, or next month? Sixth, trust your experience but verify. If you've faced similar situations before, your intuition or gut feeling can be a powerful guide. Past experiences shape our instincts. However, don't rely on gut feeling alone, especially if the stakes are very high. Try to quickly back it up with some rational thought or the essential information you've gathered. And finally, accept imperfection and commit. Under pressure, the goal isn't always to find the perfect solution, because that might not exist or you might not have time to find it. The goal is to make the best possible decision with the information and time you have. Once you've made a thoughtful choice, commit to it and move forward. Second guessing will only add more stress. Making decisions under pressure is a skill. Like any skill, it gets better with practice. Pay attention to how you react in smaller, everyday pressure situations. Learn from what works and what doesn't. So, to recap, pause and breathe. Identify the core problem. Gather essential info quickly. Simplify your options. Consider short and long-term impacts. Trust your experience but verify, and accept imperfection, then commit. By using these strategies, you can navigate those high-stress moments with more clarity and confidence. Thanks for watching.